So the second element is your food guide. Now, what are the usual picks when you're stressed? Most of the times people pick up sugar, alcohol, or your processed foods, or it can be your caffeine. You technically go more to more emotional pickups, of picking up your pastries and chocolates and stuff like that. But actually, what this actually does to your body, it actually heightens your stress response. Another very important thing is to actually have stable blood sugar levels. Now, we know that when your body is stressed, the blood sugar levels are really, really high in order for the body to prep for the threat. So very, very essential to completely ditch your carbs, your simple carbs in terms of your sugar and your refined flour. I would also say minimize, your white rice and and similar kind of foods like your lotus seeds or your couscous, and actually trade them with more complex carbs, which are made of your whole grains, legumes, high fiber fruits and vegetables. So you also need to ensure at least 3 servings of protein in a day, since we know that the diets that are low in proteins actually stimulate stress response. Another very important thing, optimize your gut health and ensure that can help you to deal with stress better. So once again, what exactly do we need to eat in order to have an optimal gut health? You ensure your prebiotics, that again comes in from your fruits and vegetables, your oat bran, barley, lima beans, black beans, split peas, onion, garlic, Jerusalem artichoke, and asparagus. We also need to ensure that we have whole grains because they are also a good source of fiber. Another important thing that we need to add is actual beneficial bacteria, which basically comes in the form of your fermented foods, like your fermented vegetables, things like cabbage, cucumber, carrot, and your fermented drinks like kombucha and kefir. Then you also have your antioxidant-rich foods to help you deal with stress better. So they basically comprise of your vitamin C foods, which basically come in the red and yellow bell peppers, your berries, oranges, papaya, broccoli and kale. You also have vitamin E sources that come in from your spinach, carrot, pumpkin and nuts. So we also need to add good amount of glutathione-rich foods in our diet. So your glutathione is also a powerful antioxidant. In fact, it's a master antioxidant, which actually helps to assimilate the other vitamins in your body. So in short, how do you stimulate the production of the glutathione in your body? Your sulfur-rich foods help you to do that. That basically would include your onions, garlic, oats, and cruciferous vegetables like your cauliflower, kale, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. The other 2 ways that you can also stimulate the glutathione production in your body would be by indulging into practices such as Tai Chi and yoga. Another very important thing that we all must add would be your brain foods. Now, what actually happens is, when the stress hormones are released in your body, it actually damages the memory center of your brain, which actually messes with your memory. So we could actually add brain foods such as apples, berries, citrus, eggs, chicken, spinach, and bananas.